The world is now combating with coronavirus pandemic. The spread of this virus started in China last year November and now has spread all over the world. United States of America has the most number of affected people and deaths till now, followed by Brazil, India and Russia. Coronaviruses are a group of related RNA viruses that cause diseases in mammals and birds. In humans, these viruses cause respiratory tract infections that can range from mild to lethal. Mild illness includes some cases of common cold, which is also caused by other viruses, predominantly rhinoviruses, while more lethal varieties can cause SARS, MERS, and COVID 19. Symptoms in other species vary. In chickens, they cause an upper respiratory tract disease, while in cows and pigs, they cause diarrhea. More than 150 coronavirus vaccines are in development across the world, and hopes are high to bring one to market in record time to ease the global crisis. Several efforts are underway to help make that possible. The World Health Organization is also coordinating global efforts to develop a vaccine with an eye toward delivering 2 billion doses by the end of 2021. As of 31st July, there are 26 candidate vaccines in clinical evaluation and 139 candidate vaccines are in preclinical evaluation. Among these 26 vaccines, 6 vaccines are in phase 3 and 8 vaccines are in phase 2. Though it is too soon to say which candidates will ultimately be successful, here is a look at the vaccine prospects that have made it to phase 3 and beyond. Here is a list of vaccines which made it to phase 3. Number 1. Moderna Therapeutics. Name mRNA 1273. A Massachusetts-based biotech company in collaboration with the National Institutes of Health. On July 27, Moderna announced it has started the third phase of its clinical trials, even as it continues to monitor phase 2 results. Preliminary findings from phase 1 have shown that healthy subjects produced coronavirus antibodies and a reaction from T cells, another arm of the human immune response. Phase 3 will test the vaccine in 30,000 US participants. Moderna says it is on track to deliver at least 500 million doses per year beginning in 2021. Thanks in part to the deal it has struck with Swiss manufacturer Lonza that will allow it to manufacture up to 1 billion doses a year. Pfizer. Name BNT162b2. One of the world's largest pharmaceutical companies based in New York in collaboration with German biotech company BioNTech. On July 27, Pfizer and BioNTech launched a trial that combines phase 2 and 3 by enrolling a diverse population in areas with significant SARS-CoV-2 transmission. It will examine the vaccine's effect in 30,000 people from 39 US states and from Brazil, Argentina, and Germany. The project is aiming to seek regulatory review as early as October 2020 to meet the December deadline and hopes to supply 1.3 billion doses by the end of 2021. Preliminary results of phase 1 and 2 data show the vaccine produces antibodies and T-cell responses specific to SARS-CoV-2 protein. University of Oxford. Name Chadox 1 nCoV-19. The UK University, in collaboration with the biopharmaceutical company AstraZeneca. Preliminary results from these candidates' first two trial phases reveal that the vaccine had triggered a strong immune response, including increased antibodies and responses from T cells, with only minor side effects such as fatigue and headache. It has now moved into phase 3 of clinical trials, aiming to recruit up to 50,000 volunteers in Brazil, the United Kingdom, the United States, and South Africa. Sinovac, name CoronaVac, a Chinese biopharmaceutical company in collaboration with Brazil Research Center Butantan. On 3rd July, Brazil's regulatory agency granted this vaccine candidate approval to move ahead to phase 3, as it continues to monitor the results of phase 2 clinical trials. Sinovac says the first phases have so far shown that the vaccine does produce an immune response with no severe adverse effects. Preliminary results of these candidates' earlier testing in macaque monkeys published in Science reveal that the vaccine produced antibodies that neutralized 10 strains of SARS-CoV-2. Phase 3 will recruit nearly 9,000 healthcare professionals in Brazil. Sinopharm, China's state-run pharmaceutical company in collaboration with the Wuhan Institute of Biological Products. In mid-July, Sinopharm launched its phase 3 trial among 15,000 volunteers aged 18 to 60 with no serious underlying conditions in the United Arab Emirates. The company selected the UAE as it has a diverse population with approximately 200 different nationalities, making it an ideal testing ground. Murdoch Children's Research Institute, name Bacillus calmette guerin breast trial, the largest child health research institute in Australia in collaboration with the University of Melbourne. In April, researchers from the Murdoch Children's Research Institute began a series of randomized controlled trials that will test whether BCG might work on the coronavirus as well. They aim to recruit 10,000 healthcare workers in the study.